Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. I hope I'm audible, visible, and everything. So again, very good evening. Welcome to Oliveboard. Now, first thing before I even start. So again, for those who are joining us for the first time, let me just remind you guys, the new Eduquity pattern mock tests are live on our channel or on our website. As you guys can see, CGL Tier 1 Eduquity pattern test number 1, 2, 3, and as you go along, you will find the other tests as well. You will find the other tests 3, 4, 5 and definitely view mode में जाओगे तो बाकी भी मिलेगा. All these are the regular tests and these are the new pattern tests. So these are already live in our channel. You can definitely check those out. But again, we are here not for these, but we are here for the new tests or the live test of this. So this is also an Eduquity pattern test, and definitely we will be solving the whole test. So first things first, this is the first question of quant. This is definitely the first question of quant of time, speed, and distance. Very good evening, Panmay. I hope. Achha, first of all, how was the exam? I hope the exam went fine. The exam was good. Chal, let's start, sir. Initially, Anita is at place P and Anshu at place Q. The distance between P and Q is 815 meters. Okay, sir. So P and Q. Anita is here and Anshu is here, sir. Okay. Now this is 815 kilometers as given in the question. Anita started his journey, I should be heard though, 4 hours earlier than Anshu to meet each other. That means Anita will go this direction, Anshu will go this direction because they want to meet each other, sir. Now, at a place R somewhere between P and Q. Perfect. Then find the distance between R and P. The speeds of Anita and Anshu are this and this respectively. Acha, 4 hour. Anita started 4 hour early. What I said? That means think of this. Anita started 4 hour early, meaning in 4 hours, Anita will be here. Figure that much out. How much Anita will go? Sir, Anita's speed is 60 kilometer per hour, meaning in 4 hours, he will go 240 kilometers, 60 into 4. That means now at this point, sir, Anita is going this direction, Anshu is going this direction, and the distance between them is not 840, but 840 minus 240, sir. That means that this is how much? 600 kilometers. This is 600 kilometers, sir. Sorry, 840 to nahi tha. Extremely sorry. This was 815 kilometers, right? This is 815 minus 240. Correct, sir? So 300 to 815 is 515. 515 plus 60, sir. So 575 kilometers. And this distance will get the same. This will get divided in what ratio? The ratio of their speeds. That is 60 ratio this, meaning 12 ratio 11, sir. So meaning they will meet at this point. This will be R. The ratio will be 12 ratio 11. Now they are asking PR ka distance. PR ka distance. PR will be what? 240 here, sir. Plus this will be what? 12 parts out of 12 plus 11, 23 parts of 575, the total distance. This will be your answer. Chalo calculate karte. 23 twos are 46. 46 means 115. 23 fives are this. So this is 300 and 140, that is 540, sir. Sorry, 240. 540. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Or Gomita, very good evening. Very good evening. This is the question, a little on the lengthier side, but again, Eduquity is asking this type of questions. Perfect, but again, this is not a new type. This type has already been asked in CGL PYQs. You will find these types. Very important types. We have done these types in our batches. मल्टीपल टाइम्स फाउंडेशन वगैरह में सब में किए हैं सर. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. They have given you something. Marks obtained by 7 students and the bracket maximum marks are given. ठीक है. If a student scored the highest marks obtained in each subjects, what would have been his his overall percentage? अच्छा sir. Now highest in computer. अच्छा, total, what is the highest marks? Total marks is how much sir? 100. This is 150. 250 sir. 250, 300. 300, 100 sir, 400 marks. 400 is the total marks or maximum marks. Maximum marks is sir 400. 400 का exam है. Now, student will get maximum possible marks. Out of 40, maximum marks somebody has scored is 40 itself. 40. A student is best of both worlds, meaning computer mein he will get like the highest marks. In bio also he will get highest. Highest 50 में से किसी को 50 मिला? Yes sir, there is one student who got 50 out of 50. So उसको भी 50 मिला. Chemistry में anybody got the highest marks? 60 out of 60? Yes sir, there is a student. So he also got 60. ठीक है. In physics somebody got 70? Yes sir, somebody has got 70. In maths sir, somebody got 80? Yes sir, 80. Yes sir, he got, like somebody got 80. In English somebody got 100? No sir, there is no 100. Highest somebody has got is 96. Highest that somebody has got is 96. That means if you calculate, this is coming out to be 396. Why 396? You see, this is 300. Itna tak to sir, this was high, like highest ever. So only one place where 4 marks less. So that means if you calculate percentage a total by 400 into 100, so we are getting 99%. 4 marks less than in 100, like in 400 marks. That means 1 marks less in 100 marks. That means 1 percentage less in 100%. That is 99% is the highest possible answer. 99% is the highest possible answer. There is nothing that is the only possible answer. Clear, sir? Clear? Next one, chalo. Next one, sir, profit loss question, as I can see. A manufacturer's cost price of an item is given. Markup is X%. His dealer receives 20% trade discount on the mark price. Retailer purchases at this discounted price, sells at 20% profit, then charges GST. Find the final price. The final price is this. Find X. Okay, sir. Okay. Markup is done X% on this 20% discount. Okay, on this 20% discount, retailer is getting in this discount. Chalo, let's do it in chain only. Let's do it in chain only with this X. Take it. So 200 is the CP. Markup is X%, sir. That means after markup, the MP is 100 plus X by 100. Okay, into. Because otherwise we need to think a lot. So we are going through 20% discount, meaning sir 80%, meaning 80 by 100. Now again, where you can save time, you can say directly 4 by 5. That way you can save a little time. Now, retailer purchases on this. This is the CP of the retailer. This is discounted price. Sells at 20% profit, 120 by 100. Then charges 20% GST on this. 25% GST भी charge कर दिया sir. Perfect. Final price is 360. They are asking find the value of X. Done. So this is 4, this is 5. Achha. 5, this is 25. This is 6, this is 5. Correct. Achha, this is 5, this is 5. Sir, 6 and 2, 12. 12 and this is 3, 30, sir. 5, this is 6. This is 3, this is 2. That means, sir, 100 plus x. This 2 is remaining, right? So this is 50 then. It is equal to 150. Sir, x is 50, sir. X is 50, sir. So option number C is the answer. Option number C is the answer. ठीक है? Perfect. Divine Shuraha. Divine, this is a very common question, brother. Common question, brother. Very common question. ठीक है? Let me complete this one first. Okay, I can definitely get to that. Definitely. CGL, CHSL, you will get this. This is a very simple question. This is a very, very simple question. Go with AB theorem. Best way to go with this. Go with AB theorem. One for 2 years or for 4 years. You can go with ratio technique as well, whichever you feel whichever is preferred by you. Whichever is preferred by you. Because 10,000 like ratio technique will also be very simple. Next one, sir. A can complete a work in 9 days. B is 7 by 3 times as fast as A. Sir, efficiency ratios, let's figure it out. If B's efficiency is 3, sir, A will be 7 by 3 times, meaning 7. 7 into, like you see, A's efficiency will be 3 into 7 by 3. So 3 cancel 7. C is 9 by 7 times as fast as B. हाँ ये तो गड़बड़ है सर. ये तो गड़बड़ है सर. I guess 5 days. All three together. Sir, I think there is a problem in this question. 5 दिन तो लगना ही नहीं चाहिए. It should be less. Answer should be less. Answer should be less. There is a problem in this question, sir. There is a problem. You see, just by looking at this, how I'm saying this, देखो, B is 7 by 3 times, meaning time more than twice. B is efficiency of B is more than twice this. Time will be less, like half se bhi kam, less than half. So only A, if works alone, that will be less than 4.5. Now all three together, how can that be 5, like greater than 5 days? It doesn't make sense. It will be 1 day, 1 whole something days, 2 whole something days. ऐसा कुछ answer आना चाहिए. It has to be smaller. चलो, I guess there is some issue in this question. चलो देखते sir. अच्छा, 9 by 7 as fast as B. If you calculate, it will be 27 by 7. You can choose to keep it or multiply by 7 and get this. So 7 say if you multiply, A is doing 49 units of work, B is doing 3 sevens are 21 units of work every day, and C is doing 27 units of work every day. So this can be the efficiency ratio. Total work is how much, sir? A completes the work in 9 days. So total work is 49 one day, in 9 days this much. Divided by like all three together. So their combined efficiency, this plus this plus this. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 27 is a 97. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. देखो ये कम आएगा. This is going to be the answer. ये almost, हाँ नहीं, तब भी तो 4.5 के आसपास आ ही रहा है. बाप रे. I thought it will be even less. I thought it will be even less. एक second. एक second. B, I have made a mistake. B is 7. Sorry. Mistake. I have made an error. Extremely sorry. Extremely. B is 7 by 3 times. This is 7. C is 9 by 7 times. So ये थोड़ा easy होगा. 9 by 7 times as B. Now it makes more sense. हाँ, तब सही है sir. My mistake, everyone. My mistake, sir. My mistake. Okay? My mistake. Yeah, Arghamita, my mistake. मैं उल्टा पढ़ लिया. My mistake. B is 7 by 3 times. Extremely sorry. 7 by 3 times fast as this. B will be higher. Acha. together. Now sir, what is the total work? A is taking 9 days, so every day is A is doing 3 units into 9. So now this is the total work. Who will do it, sir? 3 together. 7 plus 3 is, sir, 10. 10 plus 9 is, sir, 19. So अभी देखो सर 27/19. तब जाके देखो, this is 1 whole 8/19 days. This should have been the answer. क्योंकि I am conceptually I have to be correct because ये हो ही नहीं सकता. So ये options में गलत है. This will be the correct answer. This has to be the correct answer, sir. This has to be your correct answer, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Divine, brother, please tell me your name. Definitely, I can help you out. Let me just complete this one first. Then I'll take the time to help you. Acha. Next one, sir. Next one. Chalo, 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 chalo. Ratio of the radius and height of a cylinder given, sir. Okay. So radius le lo, sir. Radius I'm taking √2 into k. Height I am taking 3k. Because of this ratio I'm taking this. Volume is given. Chalo. Find the height. Find the height. Height will be 3 multiple, but again, all 4 options are multiple of 3. So nothing will work. So we have to go with this. So it's a cylinder, pi r square h, 22/7 into r square. R square means 2k square because r is this, √2 square into h. H is 3k. That is 6468. 3 and 2, sir, that is 6. 6 tens are 60, 46. 46, 6 sevens are 42. नहीं जाएगा क्या सर? 6 6 12 नहीं जाएगा सर. डायरेक्ट नहीं जाएगा सर. 6 4 6 8 था ना, अभी जाएगा. 12 24. Now it will go. 6 tens are 60, 46. 6 sevens are 42, 48. 6 8s are this. Now 2 11. 5s are this, 3s are this, 9s are this. 11 से कर दो, 11 4s are this, 9s are this. So k square, k cube is equal to 49 and this 7 will go that side. So k is 7. Now you might say, why not, like sometimes my like square में you will say minus भी आ सकता है. Cube में there is no minus. Again, in case of square or any even power also, you cannot take minus because length cannot be negative. Now height will be what? 3 into 7, 21 centimeters. They are asking height only, so option number D, 21 has to be the correct answer. Sahil. Okay, perfect, Sahil. Perfect, perfect. Definitely I'll help you, Sahil. Just give me like stay here till the end. I'll definitely help you. ठीक है, brother? Let me complete this definitely. है ना? 25% इसका 50 sir. 92 का 50% half 46. This is a 32. 3/2 of A, meaning 3A/2. 2 16. This is 96. A is, this is 96. 6 16s are 96. 3 2, sir. Sir, A is 2.0. Option D once again. Option D once again is the correct answer. Simple question. Very simple. Moving on. ये क्या है? Read the following bar graph shows number of boys and girls in 5 classes. 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Orange one girls, like the blue ones boys. Find the sum of the average number of boys in all 5 classes. Acha. And the average number of girls in all 5 classes. Meaning average ही पूछा है sir. Do no need to take all averages separately. Average of boys and average of girls. Same ही तो है 5 and 5. So again, take the average. Take the average. Normal average only you take. Normal average. 1 or you take some. Some भी ले सकते हो sir. Anything you want. Anything that you want sir. Or if you want to do normally वो भी कर सकते हो sir. Normally करो. Sum of average number of boys. चलो normally करते हैं sir. Normal ही करते हैं sir. अरे यार 180, 120, 300, 300, 470, 470, 130, 600, 610, 810, 820 by 5. So 16, 161, sorry, 164, right? 164. This is girls. This is girls, sir. And boys ka kya, sir? Boys will be 190 and 160, 200 and 150, 350. 350 and sir 380, 480. और एक काम करो 350, 500, 500, 630, 630, 830 by 5. अच्छा, better would have been this 820 plus 830 by 5. 1650 by 5. So this is 3300. Double kar do, sir, into 2 into 2. This gone, sir. 33,330, sir. 330. ये देखो option 1 में दिख रहा है. Looks, we can see it in option 1, so that is my answer. That is most definitely my correct answer, sir. That is most definitely my answer. Sahil is saying my question. Sahil, brother, I cannot do that, brother. I have to complete this first. That is my job. Then only I can go into that. Na? I cannot do that. For once this is done, then only I can go into the doubts. Right? I cannot do that. Achha, sir, how to do this? So there are two ways. You can calculate here or you can put values. First of all, if you want to put values, you cannot put 45 degree because then cot and tan will give you the same answer and sine and cos will give you the same answer. Achha, I have done this type of questions multiple times. You putting values. Let's do without putting values. Normally, karo sir. Cos A minus 1. And this is sine A minus. This is sine A by cos A I'm doing. So what I'm doing? Cos A minus 1 by sine A. Now this is cos A is LCM. Now this is cos A first minus 1, sir. You see cos A minus 1, cos A minus 1 cancels. This cos A goes up. Cos A by sine A. Gives you what? Gives you cot A. That's your answer, option number A. That is your answer, option number 1. Perfect. Yes, Argomita, you are correct. You are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct you are. That is your. Achha. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. A boat covers 24 kilometers. A boat covers 24 kilometers in still water in 6 hours. Sir, I'll get the value of x from here. X is what? 6 hours 24. So distance by speed, by time will give you speed. So that is 4 kilometers per hour. That means speed in still water. Stream speed is 1/4 of the boat speed, meaning y is 1/4 of 4, that is 1 kilometer per hour. So I can find anything. How long will it take to cover this much upstream? So time will be distance by speed upstream. Speed will be, sir, x minus y. 4 minus 1, that is 3. That is 20 hours. That's your answer. Option number C, sir. Option number C. Yes, again, Argomita, you are correct. Absolutely correct you are. That is option number C. Is most definitely your correct answer. Again, a very simple question. Acha. Again, the new type of questions that are coming, like from coordinate geometry. Very, 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 very interesting. Listen to me for very carefully for the next 2 minutes. Listen to me very carefully for the next 2 minutes. ये type कभी भी कहीं भी आ सकता है. They can ask you this type anywhere, anytime now. These types were not generally used to get asked, but again, nowadays they can definitely ask this. Sir, understand. There is a circle and there is a tangent like this one. This is a tangent to the circle. Tangent is, equation of this tangent is 6x minus 8y. Perfect. Now, the circle has a center here, that is minus 2, comma 3, sir. Okay. Now they are asking what is the radius of this tangent. Sir, always remember, if I drop this, this is perpendicular and this is called what? This is called the normal. Tangent and normal. Normal in mathematics is what? Normal in mathematics is 90 degree. So ultimately what happens? This is nothing but the distance of this tangent from this point. So remember, distance of any straight line, distance of any straight line from a given point. Let's say there is a point, given point x0 comma y0. From there, I need the distance of a straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. From a point that is x0 comma y0, that will always be given by mod of, put in place of x and y, you put this particular point. In place of x and y, you put this particular point. Ax0 plus by0 plus c, that is a, sorry. Arey yaar, aaja. Divided by, sir, root over of these two. Root over of a square plus b square. That is the distance. That is the distance. So ultimately from this point, this is your x0, y0. And this is your ax plus by plus c. Just put it here. So what will that be? Modulus of, modulus that. Why? Because distance can never be negative. Distance negative nahi ho sakta. That is the reason we put a mod. Mod means negative aayega, so it will make it, it will turn it to positive. So this is minus of, or 6 into, x is minus 2, minus y, 8 into, y is 3, sir, minus 10, modulus, by root over of 6 square and 8 square gives you 10. We all know 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. Baitha do, sir. So this will be minus 12, minus 24, minus 36, minus 46, sir. Right? Minus 46 by 10. And now minus 46 in a mod, it will turn positive 46. So my answer will be 4.6, which is option number D. Which is option number D, sir. Very, very, very important. ये अगर नहीं आता तो सीख लो, sir. Another thing, let me say over here, if the equation of this circle is given, equation of this circle will be given like this. अच्छा छोड़ो ये बाद में, like I'll explain it sometime later. Otherwise नहीं होगा खत्म. Otherwise खत्म नहीं होगा. ठीक है? How to make tangents. चलो, let's move on. Let's move on, sir. So 4.6 option D is the correct answer. Moving on. Sir, y is given. Y is divided by 29. The remainder obtained is 4. Always use the minimum concept here. The minimum value of y always take. You always take. That is how we proceed in these situations. Guesses? Y ka value 29. Remainder is 4. What is the situation? Y divided by 29 gives us the remainder as 4. Situation is what? What exactly is the situation? It means, sir, why I can say this is 4? Because when the smallest possible like situation in this is remainder itself is the number. That is the smallest possible situation or smallest possible value of y. I can say this. So that means they are asking what happens when 4 to the power 5 is divided by 29. Calculate na 4 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 10, 1024 divided by 29, sir. Kar lo calculation. 29. 4s are how much, sir? 30 जाएगा क्या था 4 से 29, 30 into 4, 120. नहीं जाएगा सर, 29 3 सर 87 होता है. This will be 3 times sir. 87 13 here, 13 13 13 15 154 29 5 sir. 29 5 sir. 29 into 5 will be how much sir? This is 145. 145 means 9 is the remainder sir. 9 is the remainder. That will be my answer. Option number C. Option number C, 9 is the remainder. Nitish, as of now, we don't have any like news. As of now, CGL का वैसा कुछ news है नहीं. We do not have any news as such. ठीक है? And don't think, I don't think ऐसा कुछ news आने भी वाला है. I don't think. Okay? From the attitude and stuff. जितना सुनने में आया. Cyclic quadrilateral BDC is given. That is given. Measure of ABC, meaning this angle. AO, acha, O, this, that means this is the diameter AB. AB is a diameter. एक काम करो sir, join AC. Join this line sir AC. This will be 90 degrees sir. This will become 90 degree. If this is 90, again sir, if this is 110, this is 70 degrees sir. Why? Because ABDC, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, and cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles, they are always supplementary. Sum is 180, so this is 110, so this has to be 70. Take this ACB, this triangle. One angle 90, one angle 70. The other angle is screaming at us कि this has to be 20. वही पूछा था sir, option A is the answer. Option A has to be the answer. Yes, Arghamita, it is 20 is the correct answer. 20 is most definitely the correct answer, sir. Again, variance पूछा है sir. Variance they are asking. First, variance के लिए we need mean. First, we will be needing mean, x bar. How to figure that out? चलो calculate. अच्छा sir. 15, 15, 15, 30. 30 sir. 30, 30, 60. 60, this is 40, 100. 130, 140. By how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir, x bar is 14. Try to calculate a little fast. Now, variance के लिए I need xi minus x bar whole square. So this is 6 minus 14, that is 8. 64 sir, whole square I'm doing. Plus, this is x second. This is 5 sir. 5 square 25. 4 square 16. 12, 14 sir, 4. 14 zeros sir. 15 ones sir. 15 हो गया 16, 4 sir. 18, 16. 21 means 49. 19 means 25. By 10. That will be your variance. Calculate कर लेते हैं sir. 64 and 16, 80. 25, 25. That is 50. अच्छा एक काम करो 50. 16 and 4, 20. This is 5 and 49. 49 and 5 means how much? 49 and 5 is 54. Nothing is left. Nothing is left. चलो. अच्छा by 10. 70 and this is 150. 204 by 110. So 20.4 will be the answer. 20.4, option number A is the correct answer. Option number A is most definitely your correct answer. Again, these questions are coming on a regular basis. ये अच्छे से कर लो if you not if excuse me, if you have not done it this like till now, please make sure you do it. You prepare yourself. सर ये चीज देख लो. अब मैंने चिल्ला चिल्ला के बताया in these classes as well, YouTube में भी. This is nothing but I've shown you how it can be done. This is a very famous This is a very, very famous factorization, sir. This can be written as multiplication. Plus 2 minus 1, right? Now this value is given to you as 3 by 2. This value is given to you as 15 by 4. It is equal to, they are asking this. ये पूछ रहा है sir. Sir, what will be this value? 15 by 4 into 2 by 3. कर लो calculation. So your answer will be 5 divided by 2. है क्या? Option number B, sir. Option number B is most definitely your correct answer. Perfect. चलो, let's move on. Let us move on, sir. ये क्या है? Sir, it is very simple. अच्छा, again you can put value, you can do anything. You can value put करके भी कर सकते हो. Without value putting also you can do. चलो, let's see. Cosec square plus cot square. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ, सोच लेने दो. Root x. So in analyzing, only B can be the answer. I don't think anything else can be. Still, let's check. Let's check, sir. So this will be sine square A into cos square A. And this will be sine square A plus cos square A, sir. Okay. They are asking root x. So next line. So this is 1. So square root of 1 is 1 only. And this will become sine A into cos A. Okay, let's get rid of this square root. Let's get rid of this square root, sir. But again, 1 है ना? Square root of 1 is 1 only. Sir, I'm writing this as, can I do this? Now divide. Sine cancels. Sine by cos. Tan A. Cos and 1 cos cancels. Cos by sine. Sir, khatam, sir. That's your option number B. That is your option number B, sir. Again, you can do it using value putting as well. Value putting se bhi you can do it. Value putting se bhi you can definitely do it. Sir, again, coordinate geometry, intercept form का question है. In our batches, we have done this just a couple of days before. I guess Saturday को हमने किया है ये. In the practice questions. And foundation से मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ. Intercept form is the most important form if you want to know how to like draw diagrams and stuff. If you know what I mean. Sir, how to do this? I told you, intercept form means right hand side it must be 1. So 420 से divide कर दो. So x by 20, 20x by 420, meaning it will be this, it will be this. So what I have done, I have divided both the sides by 420. Because right hand side in intercept form, I always need this 1. I always need right hand side में 1, sir. That's the rule. That's the requirement, sir. And whatever is this, sir. So the straight line will look something like this. And this point, it will be 21, 0. And this point, it will be 0, 20. Or you can think like, so this length is 21 and this length will be say 20. So now it's a part of Pythagorean triplet. 20, 21. So this length is always 29. 20, 21, 29. This is part of a Pythagorean triplet. If you don't know, please know this. Answer will be C. They're asking the length of the segment. So they are asking ये length कितना है, sir? That is 29 answer. Answer will be 29. Yes, sir, Ghamita, you are absolutely correct. Option C, 29 is the answer. Those who know will answer in 10 seconds. कुछ नहीं बनाना है, sir. You see how the paper suddenly has shifted more towards advanced maths. You tell me how many arithmetic questions have we done? Have we solved? Most of these questions we are doing are of advanced maths. So again, I'm requesting everyone, please focus on advanced maths. Mark price is given, applies two discounts, 20% and 10%, meaning 28%. You should have done enough practice to not need to do this, to write this directly. Like I alone in these last few months, last 3-4 months, done this in YouTube classes alone, like 5 to 6 times. 10 and 20 matlab 28%, right? Acha. Assembly charges of X% is added to the discount price, resulting in a final price of this find X. चलो ठीक है, 6,000 rupees mark price. Now this is this discount, so definitely they need to pay this much, 72%, because 28% का discount लगा है. They have given us 28% discount, so need to pay this much. But X% assembly charges. So final price is this. So on this value, they will pay after the discount assembly charge of X%. X% increment, 100 plus X by 100, X%. So this is resulting in a value of 56760. Chalo calculation kar lo. So 24. Achha, first of all, 0, 0. I'm not like putting my hands on this. 24 threes are this. This is 24 square. 24 and another 24 gone. 3 8s are this. ठीक है, keep it. और कुछ करना तो चाहिए नहीं. Still. अच्छा चलो कर देते. 600 into. अच्छा चलो ये कर देते. This is 6, sir. So this is, sir, 3. This is 4. So this is 400 is equal to 300 plus 3x. So x is 33.33%. That's your answer. ठीक है? Option number B. Option number B. 1/3 का assembly charges have been issued. 1/3 का assembly charge लगा है, sir. Moving on. Sir, वही height and distance. Height and distance. Height and distance. चलो देखते. A person of height this is standing at a distance of this much from the base of a tree. A person observes the top of the tree at this level. Okay, fine. Given information, find the total of the height. Given total height of the tree in meters. Okay. ये है tree. A person is standing like this. ऐसा कुछ है, sir. This is 3.2 meters, sir. Standing at a distance of 34.5 root 3. बाप रे, वैल्यू नहीं मिला क्या? 30 degree is the angle of elevation. Total height of, so first things first, let's figure this out. Sir, if this is this, so this same is the length here, same is the length here, 30, opposite is 1 unit, and this is 60, then definitely opposite is root 3 units. Root 3 units is equal to this. 1 unit will be how much, sir? Root 3 cancels, it will be 34.5 meters. So height of the tree will be, if this is 3 root 2, this is, sorry, 3.2, this is also 3.2. So height of the tree will be 34.5 plus 3.2, sir. So 37.7 meters. That's my answer, option number A, sir. Clear, everyone? 37.7 और गमीता not 5. हाँ, option में वही एक ही है 37 से. So option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. It only looks a little tricky. Actual में कुछ है नहीं, sir. Total interest accrued on a sum 22,000, lent on simple interest 22%. सब कुछ 11 का है. For the time in those many years, which gives 1/5 5%. अच्छा, 1/5 means 20% interest at 5% per annum. So that means How many years, sir? 4 years. Time is 4 years. ठीक है? Now, 22 years, 22,000, 22% per annum. For 4 years, what will be the interest? So that will be 84 years, 1 year, 22%, it will be 88%. Now again, you don't need to check. Sir, it will be a 11 multiple. You see, if you want to calculate, you please calculate. But again, whatever you do, just by looking at this, you can say it will be an 11 multiple, sir. 11 का multiple होगा, sir. Option से check करो, 11 का multiple क्या है? 34, 11 threes are 33. Sir, 116, sorry, threes are 33. 16, 4, ये नहीं है, sir. Ones are this, 80, 8, 3, 7, 6, ये sir है. I guess B is the answer. I guess B is the answer, sir. Let's see na. देखो हो गया. B is the answer because it's a multiple of 11. Because it's a multiple of 11. But again, if you want, you can calculate. You can go with unit digit. Last का digit 0 छोड़ के second unit digit calculate करो. You can go with that as well. अच्छा sir, the median of a set of 13 distinct numbers is this. Okay? Set of 4 observations increased by 15. The smallest 4. New median will be 38 only. Sir, B is the answer. इसमें कुछ नहीं देखना, sir. You don't even need to see anything. Panmei कुछ नहीं है. Panmei, please understand. You see, this question. There is absolutely not, like, no question can be easier than this. Why? Let me just explain. 13 numbers na. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Median is the middle number, 7th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your median. Now, tell me one thing, Panmi. Whatever is happening to this side or whatever is happening to this side, will that affect my median? Median में कुछ असर पड़ेगा? नहीं ना. ये इस तरह कुछ भी हो जाना, भूकंप आ जाना. Let it be tsunami this side, let it be tsunami that side. Median will be that. So if I'm adding to the smallest numbers, it doesn't matter. My median will be this one. So it will remain as whatever it was. It will remain as whatever that was. Perfect. Perfect. It's all about understanding the stuff, nothing else. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Last few questions. The graduate level, the CGL level has increased, definitely. They are asking these conceptual questions. Okay. So when in the beginning, in the foundation batches, when I started with conceptual clarity. I told everyone conceptually, I started with difficult questions. Everybody was like, "Arey sir, kyun itna padha rahe ho?" Please understand, this is the situation. ये थोड़ा पढ़ लो, थोड़ा पढ़ लो. अच्छा, monthly expenses are this much more than his savings. Sir, income का क्वेश्चन है. Income, expenditure and savings. Expenditure is this much more. अच्छा, this percentage more ना. अच्छा, this ratio निकाल लो ना सर. 500 by 3%. Percentage means by 300, meaning 5 by 3 rupee. 5 by 3 more than his savings. Acha sir, that means if his savings is 3 rupees, sir, his expenditure is 5 rupee more. Sorry, it is more. Na? It is more. It is 8 rupees, sir. Can I say? It is 5 rupee more if his savings is 3 rupee. 5 rupee more, so savings expenditure is 8 rupees, sir. So income must be 11 rupees, sir. Income rises by 50%. So 50% है ना? Sir, एक काम करो, 30, 50. Sir, do one thing. double 100. You can go with 10 as well, 2 zeros की जगह, but चलो be on the safe side, do 2 zeros. Income rises by 50%, meaning half. 550 बढ़ गया sir. So 1650 rupees is the new income. Expenses rises by 30%. So 3 8s are 240. So this is now 1040 sir, expenditures. Sir, what will happen to savings? 1650 minus this. So this is 10 here. Answer 610 rupees. So how much increment, sir? 310 rupees increment. 310 rupees increment, and savings increased by 930 rupees. So 310 is equal to sir 930 rupees. So this one part is equal to 310 ka triple, meaning 3 rupees. They're asking monthly expenditures. Batao. Original monthly expenditure. Original monthly expenditure was 800. So that means one part is equal to 3. So 800 parts is equal to rupees 3 800s are 2400. That was my answer. Option number C. Option number C, sir. Yes, or Gomita, 2400. Option C is the correct answer. Perfect, everyone. Simple question. Simple question. बहुत कुछ था नहीं सर. शूटिंग कंपटीशन प्रोबेबिलिटी आ गया फिर से. अच्छा, कल वाला क्लास में प्रोबेबिलिटी लेके बैठेंगे सर. Shooting competition, probability of Neelam hitting the bullseye is 1 by 5. Shoots total 9 times. Probability of that she hits the target at least once, sir. At least once. Remember, sir, this is called negative infinite trials bolte isko, sir. In probability terms, mein, sir. Always go on with this. At least once, if you see, at least once means total probability minus probability of hitting the target 0 times. Please understand why, because at least once is a very broad statement, because that means Neelam can hit the target 1 time, she can hit 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, till 9 times, because she is shooting 9 times. If in infinite trials mein kya hoga, if she keeps on shooting infinite number of times. So here, like they have banded ki 9 is the upper limit. She can only shoot 9 times. She only has 9 bullets. So this is what it is. But again, at least once. So you cannot positively, you can never figure it out if there is like infinite number of bullets. So always that way to move forward is to do this. Because total probability is always 1 minus she will not be able to hit the target even once. 0. देखो, bullseye hitting is 1 by 5. So the probability that she will not be able to hit the target is 1 minus 1 by 5, because total probability is always 1. That is 4 by 5. इसको complement बोलते हैं हम लोग. So क्या होगा सर? Total probability is 1 minus 0 times. So every time she will not be able to hit it will be 4 by 5. First time she can't hit it 4 by 5 into. Second time she can't hit it 4 by 5. Third time she can't hit it 4 by 5. Fourth time she can't hit it 4 by 5. ऐसे करते कितने बार? All 9 times, sir. So we write this as 1 minus 4 by 5 to the power 9, sir. Check it. Option number C is the answer. Option number C is the answer. Many people remember this as a formula, but please understand why this happens. You need to remember that as well. Because thoda घुमा देगा question, पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाए. If they give you a little out of sorts and you don't know, you just have gone through, this is the formula. Probability can never be learned that way. Find the capacity of a bucket. Height is this Diameter of the ends are this, sir. Frustum का question है. This is where the formula comes into play. Again, sir, for a tier 2, but again, CGL 24 also had a question, had couple of questions actually. Sir, capacity means volume I need. Volume is 1/3 pi. Pi is not there, so take 22/7 directly. 22 divided by 7 into h. H is what, sir? Height is this. Into r square. Diameters are this. So r will be 15 and so this will be 5. R square 15 square plus small r square, that is 5 square, plus capital R into small r, that is 5 15s are 75. So this is how it looks. R square plus r square plus r. This is the volume formula of a frustum. याद रखो, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. 225, 250, 250 and 75. 325. 7 से जाएगा क्या? 7 4s are 28. नहीं जाएगा ना. So do one thing in that situation. In that case, na calculation will be better if you take 3.14 because ये calculation थोड़ा अच्छा आएगा sir. This one you take 3 8s are 24 and 8 25s are 2600 into 3.14. 26 threes. Okay, 26 threes are 78. 7800 plus 2600 by 7. 0.14 means 1 by 7, right? 1 by 7 का मतलब है sir 7 threes are 21, 507, so 370 something. 8100 something ये देखो है sir. Option A का answer. Calculation is a little tricky, but again you can get to the whole thing. You can get through the whole thing. A little trickier calculation. चलो ठीक है. AD equal to AC equal to BC. Okay. AD equal to AC equal to BC. Okay. CAD is 82. CAD, this one is 82, sir. Okay. Measure of angle A, this whole angle they are asking. Acha. If this is 82, then these two angles are equal because these two sides are equal. AD is equal to AC, sir. AD is given as equal to AC. Now, if that is the same, so this is 82. That means 100, so this is 96. 96 ko आधा आधा कर दो. 48 here, 48 here, sir. अच्छा 96 नहीं 180 ना. Sorry. 49 here, 49 here. Extremely sorry. Now again, sir, please understand this angle and this angle they are same. So these two sides. So that means this angle and this angle is also same. And this is external angle. So the sum of these two will be this 49. So this will be 24.5. This will be 24.5. So ये angle कितना बनेगा? 82 plus 24.5. 106.5 है क्या? Option B, sir. Option B is the answer. It was a very simple question. It was most definitely a very simple question. Last question, sir. Absolutely the last question. In a company, 80 workers, average weight is this. 50 female with this. What is the average of? Sir, alligation लगा दो. And normally भी कर सकते हो, sir. You can go with alligation because the values are so good, multiple of 5 and 10. You can do it normally as well. If values are not so good, you can alligation will be better. But values, if the values are so good like this, so in that case you can go normally as well, whichever you prefer. Sir, अच्छा चलो हम alligation लगाते हैं. 62 है ना, चलो. 80 workers, so male female. Sir, male is 30, female is 50 sir. Why? 50 female है, total 80 है. So this is 3:5. Average weight sir, a female का 62. This is X. Average is 65. So this is 3 sir. If I use this. And this will be sir X minus 65. So 3 by 6, X minus 65. This is going to be 3 by 5. ठीक है? कर दो calculation, 3 3 cancels. X minus 65 is equal to 5, X equal to 70. तो कितने लोग थे सर? 70, or 70 is the average weight. That is option number B. That is option number B, sir. And that was our question. Vignesh, yes, 70 is most definitely our correct answer. Perfect, sir. So this was the last question of our day. Now again, last week is remaining before the CGL exam starts. It is now all about understanding, all about speed, all about approaches. कितना आप कितना समझे हो, आप कितना अच्छा आपका अप्रोच बन गया है. How good that is. Okay. Now I hope you have understood this. Please share your marks वगैरह. Also one more thing, just let me show you before I go. This particular, please understand, this SSC super practice is live on our like platform. Please use this to your advantage. You will get, I've mentioned this multiple times, you will get a very, very, very good practice because all the tests have been made live. So 3 levels of difficulties with PYPs, most repetitive questions, speed improvement, as well as revision tests. So please, you make use of these techniques so that you can get a very, very, very good practice. Okay. So again, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I will again see you guys tomorrow with the new pattern practice set. So till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. Thank you. Thank you so much.